Welcome back to Creative Writing, where we're focusing on drama. This video is going to focus on technical elements. Now, as a person who enjoys participating in and watching dramas, this is one of my favorite aspects of it. And it's going to include a whole lot of the things that you don't necessarily think about unless they're not well done, and then they can really take away from the movie. But if they're done very well, then they can really make a okay plot into a really good movie or play. So some of the technical elements are the set, and this includes the scenery, which would be things like, if it's a play, the curtains. It's gonna include the backdrop, maybe a platform or a stage. And these can really make a big difference. We did a play, a musical, while I was in college called Fiddler on the Roof. And it was a big deal because we had one small stage to do it on, and there were 8 different scenes that we had to fit into there. So we had our stage where it flipped out and went back and lifted up and moved and all kinds of things in order to make this work. So the set is very important. Another thing is costumes. These are the clothing and basically any accessories worn by the actors. So it's going to be the clothes, hats, watch, shoes, things like that. These can really make a difference. If you were doing a play set in Shakespearean times, then you need to have costumes that are going to come across that way. Or modern times. You can do one set in the 70s. They're going to have different costumes than one set in the 2000s. So the 1970s or the 2000s, they're going to look a little bit different. So the costumes can make a really big difference. And along those lines are props. This is actually short for properties, but everybody calls them props. This is anything besides the set or costumes used in a drama. All right, so if a character has to sit down trying to think of something better, knocks a lamp over, that lamp is a prop. If they are supposed to carry books and place books on a table, those books are a prop, okay? So this is going to be anything that's used in a drama that's not a costume or a set, okay? They're going to be like a physical item, so, something that they can actually hold. Some of the other technical elements are lights, sound, and makeup. Now, lights are going to make a big difference. If it is not well lit and you can't see certain parts, you're going to miss out on part of the story. The sound is a big deal because if you can't hear the actors speaking, you're not going to know what's going on. And then makeup can help your characters to not look like ghosts, whether they're on stage or on camera, okay? So these are all very technical things, but they make a very big difference in your play or movie or TV show or whatever it is that you are making up, okay? So just a reminder, the set, costumes, props, lights, sound, and makeup, okay? So make sure that you know what these are. These are both, this includes both the light and dark aspects of the drama, because sometimes you want no light. So the sound is, can you hear? the actors, or it can also be special effects sounds, like if there's thunder, things like that. And then the makeup is, it can be special effect, making somebody look older or younger than they are, or it just can be stage makeup, which basically is just makeup to make somebody look natural on stage under strong lighting. Okay, so make sure you know all of those for the quiz that you guys are going to have later.